Today we'll be starting with exercise 2.5, question number 7. The period is 4, the date is 7, and the day is Thursday for you. As we know, there are identities a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. A minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is coming in so many students' mind that there are one more identity, there is a one more related identity or the solution of this particular a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. Yes, you can use that also, but I am dealing with them only, because this will really going to help you out in the next questions also. The question number 7 says 99 ka cube. I can write 99 as 100 minus 1 ka cube. 100 minus 1 ka cube. I can apply in the formula 100 cube, that means a cube. A will become 100, B will become 1. 100 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into a square into 1 plus 3 into a square into 1 ka square. Strictly according to the identity, the second one. And I have solved it. Minus this with this, then minus this with this, and then add it. The correct way of solving the particular question. Second part says 102 ka whole cube. You can write 102 as 100 plus 2 ka whole cube, a plus b whole cube. Do it yourself now. 998 ka whole cube, 1000 minus 2 ka whole cube. That means a minus b ka whole cube. The second one identity which you have just now used. Do these two parts by your own. Got it? Now factorize. Question number 8. 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. We have to compress this. How we will do this? We can write 8a as 2a ka cube, b cube as it is. Now a is 2a, so 3 into 2a ka square into b plus 3, according to the formula, 3 always comes. 3 into 2a, which is a right now, into b square. So what I have observed, 2a plus b. 2a plus b ka whole cube, or 2a plus b, 2a plus b, 2a plus b. You can write like this also. Got it? Second part. 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square plus 6b square. You can write 8a as 2a ka cube minus b cube. 3 always comes. A will become 2a. In the previous question it was 2a only. 2a square into b plus 3 into 2a into b square. Strictly 2a minus b ka whole cube. 2a minus b ka whole cube. Got it? Or 2a minus b, 2a minus b, 2a minus b. Now do the remaining parts of this particular question by your own. 2 parts I have done it for you. Rest of the parts do it by your own. If you find any problem, do discuss with me. Question number 9, one of the very good question. What we have to do, this is given to us and is equal to this is given to us. We have to prove this by this or this by this. That means we have to prove LHS is equal to RHS. That's it. At any cost, we have to prove LHS is equal to RHS. Now, taking RHS, we have taken RHS. We will going to prove from this RHS to this LHS now. Take this RHS, multiply this x, particular x with the whole, I have written, plus y with the whole bracket once again. X into x square will become x cube, x square y, xy square with positive sign, plus x square y minus xy square plus y cube. Got it? I can see it is x minus ka x square y. This is plus x square y. I will cancel it out. With the pencil I have done it for you. I have cancelled out. Again, this is xy square positive. This is minus xy square. That is negative. I have again cancelled out. This I have done in the circle. This is there in the boxes. I have cancelled out. What is left now? X cube plus y cube, which is the LHS also. X cube plus y cube, which is equal to LHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Do the second part of this question. Do it very nicely. Do all these 3 questions in your fair notebook. I'm not hurrying. We are not hurrying. Hurry up with the syllabus. Whatever I'm teaching you every day, just follow the same. God bless you, all of you.